Good morning, students. Today we will be reading chapter 9th of class 3. What it is? Punctuation. Okay. So we will read full stop, comma, capital letters, question mark, exclamation mark. Okay, about this we will read today. So, punctuation is the use of marks such as comma, full stop, colon, question mark and many more symbols that makes reading and understanding of sentence better. Ajinder, Meera, did you see the winner with the trophy? Meera, I have a photograph that I want to show to everybody. Ali, you will not believe who I saw. Mary, no, listen to me, Gautam. I dream only of ice creams. So, in this sentences, here punctuation marks are given. So, we have to notify this why this punctuation marks are used. According to the sentence, this punctuation marks are put here. Commonly used punctuation marks. Full stop. A full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. Full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. For example, I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Okay. Here mark the end of the sentence. This sentence is over. So here full stop. My name is Trisa Gupta. He was here for a day only. So this sentence is over. For ending, we make here full stop. Now question mark. Question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a sentence that asks a question. Question mark is used at the end of a sentence and used to indicate a question. Okay. For example, did Ram go with you? क्या राम तुम्हारे साथ गया? क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है ना, दैट्स वाई इट इज क्वेश्चन मार्क. Is she our new teacher? This one also, this you are asking question. Is she our new teacher? What is your name? So here we are putting question. Now exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used at the end of a sentence, phrase or word to indicate strong emotion, that express strong emotion. Okay, for example, wow, what a wonderful sight. So we are expressing our emotion. Wow. Okay, so here we are putting exclamation mark. What a beautiful gift. Here also we are explaining our emotion. What a beautiful gift. So here exclamation mark. Okay. Now about comma. We use the comma to separate things or words. It is sometimes used to break a sentence into different parts. Okay. It is used to separate words and words group with a series of 3 or more. Okay. For example, mummy bought vegetables, comma, fruits, comma, pulses and bread from the market. So here vegetables, comma, fruits, comma, pulses. These 3 items bought. So we are using here to separate the things. Okay. Second example, I enjoyed the boat ride, train ride, swings and ice cream in the fair. Here also we are separating the things or words like ride, train ride, swing and lastly an ice cream. Okay. So here these 3 words we are separating with comma. Understood? Capital letter. A sentence always start with a capital letter. Okay. Capital letter is used to show the beginning of a sentence or for a proper noun. Here example, the bell rang after we reached the school. Second, the names of people begin with a capital letter. Okay. Because proper noun na, Kalpana Chawla, Mahatma Gandhi. The word I is always capital. So here I also we keep always capital. Ravi and I like football. And here in names of places begin with a capital letter. The names of cities, states, countries, planets, streets and buildings all start with a capital letter. For example, Simla is in Himachal Pradesh. My friend lives in Raja Building, Kutub Road. Okay. Here proper noun and the names of places. All the proper nouns. Understood? Names of places also it is going in proper noun. Okay. The first, last and all important word in a title begin with a capital letter. The titles of books, magazines, stories, poems and movies all start with a capital letter. Okay, understood? These all the books, magazines, stories, whatever. This uh, they starts with capital letter. Did you see the movie Dor Seuss's Lorax? Sorry, Dr. Seuss's Lorax. Then Aesop's Fables and Panchatantra are my favorite storybooks. Time magazines for kids is very interesting. Now, days of the weeks, months of the year and holidays begin with a capital letter. Here, this days of the week also, of the year also and month also and holiday, they begin with a capital letter. Like 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Here 15th August, A is capital, then Independence, I capital and Day, D is capital. Understood? Our summer vacation starts on 15th May and ends on 30th June. So our summer vacation starts on 15th May, M is capital and June, J. Saturday and Sunday are holidays. Here S is capital. Here also S is capital. Understood? Days of the week, month and year and holidays, they always start with capital letter. Now, astrotrope. The astrotrope is used in a sentence where a letter has been removed, placed before the S to showing singular possessions and used where the noun that should follow is implied. Like an astrotrope is used to show that a thing or person belongs or relates to someone or something. She is a great teacher. Here she is a great teacher. Okay. Have you taken the doctor's appointment? Contractions. Contractions. Here a contraction is a word in which one or more letters are dropped or omitted. Okay. A contraction is made of two words. It is shortened by leaving out one or more letters. Okay. Here like it is given, it's raining. So it here is, but we are cutting I and it apostrophe s. It's raining. Okay. We are omitting I here. It's pouring. It's raining. It's pouring. Okay. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and covered his head and didn't get up till the morning. Here, didn't. O, we are omitting here O. The astrotrope is an indication of this omission. Contractions are common in speaking and in informal writing. To use an astrotrope to create a contraction, place an astrotrope where the omitted letter S would go. Okay, I am reading. I am reading. I am reading. Here I apostrophe M, A is not here. So I am reading. I am reading. You aren't reading. You are not reading. Understood? He didn't finish his work. He did not finish his work. Okay. It is not wrong to use such contraction in formal writing also. but one should use them sparingly because they tend to make our writing appear less than fully formal and we may lose impact of our writing. Okay. Any doubt you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.